Valencia is the third largest city in Spain, after Madrid and Barcelona, boasting a population of over 800,000 residents. The city is known for its unique blend of Gothic, Baroque, and modern architecture, showcasing a rich historical heritage alongside contemporary designs. Valencia is the birthplace of the famous Spanish dish, paella, which originated in the rural areas surrounding the city. The City of Arts and Sciences, a futuristic architectural complex, is one of Valencia's most iconic landmarks, featuring a science museum, planetarium, aquarium, and more. Valencia hosts Las Fallas, a massive annual festival in March, where elaborate sculptures made of papier-mâché are created and then burned in a spectacular display. The Turia Gardens, a sprawling park created from a diverted riverbed, stretches through the city and is a popular spot for walking, cycling, and outdoor activities. Valencia is home to the largest aquarium in Europe, the Oceanographic, which is part of the City of Arts and Sciences and features marine life from various ecosystems. The Mercado Central, one of the largest markets in Europe, is a vibrant hub for local produce, meats, seafood, and artisanal products, showcasing Valencia's culinary culture. The historic silk exchange, La Lonja de la Seda, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, representing Valencia's prosperous silk trade during the Middle Ages. Valencia's cathedral claims to house the Holy Grail, a claim that has attracted thousands of visitors to its stunning architecture and rich history. The Torres de Serranos and Torres de Quart are medieval towers that once served as city gates, offering panoramic views of the city. Valencia has a Mediterranean climate, characterized by hot summers and mild winters, making it an attractive destination year-round. The city is known for its vibrant art scene, with numerous galleries, theaters, and cultural festivals taking place throughout the year. Valencia is also famous for its street art, with many neighborhoods showcasing colorful murals and installations by local and international artists. The Albufera Natural Park, located just south of the city, is a protected wetland area known for its biodiversity and rice fields, which are essential for paella. Valencia has an extensive public transportation system, including buses, trams, and a metro, making it easy to navigate the city. The fallero, a traditional Valencian costume, is worn during the Las Fallas festival, showcasing the region's rich cultural heritage. The city's official language is Valencian, a dialect of Catalan, although Spanish is widely spoken. Valencia is recognized for its lively nightlife, with a variety of bars, clubs, and music venues catering to diverse tastes. The traditional Valencian dish, horchata, is a refreshing beverage made from tiger nuts, sugar, and water, often enjoyed with sweet pastries. Valencia's beaches, such as La Malvarosa and Las Arenas, attract both locals and tourists, providing opportunities for sunbathing and water sports. The city has a rich history dating back to Roman times when it was known as Valentia Editanorum, founded in 138 BC. Valencia has produced several famous artists, including the painter Joaquín Sorolla, known for his impressionistic landscapes and depictions of Spanish life. The city is home to the Valencia Basket Club, one of Spain's top professional basketball teams, with a passionate fan base. Valencia is a UNESCO Creative City of Gastronomy, highlighting its culinary heritage and innovative food scene. The annual Tomatina Festival, held in nearby Bunal, is a famous tomato-throwing event that attracts thousands of participants from around the world. Valencia is home to the famous Casc de la Ciudad, or Old Town, where visitors can wander through narrow streets filled with history, shops, and cafes. The city's historic bullring, Plaza de Toros, dates back to the 19th century and is one of the most important bullfighting venues in Spain. Valencia's local football team, Valencia CF, has a rich history and has won multiple championships, including the Copa del Rey. The city is known for its beautiful plazas, such as the Plaza de la Virgen and Plaza del Ayuntamiento, which are perfect for people watching and enjoying local cuisine. Valencia has a significant Arab influence, evident in its architecture, cuisine, and irrigation systems, which date back to the Moorish occupation. The Torres de Serranos were once part of the city's defensive walls, showcasing the strategic importance of Valencia in medieval times. Valencia's famous Fallas Festival is so significant that it has its own dedicated museum, the Fallas Museum, where visitors can learn about its history and traditions. The city is surrounded by beautiful countryside, including vineyards and orange groves, which contribute to its agricultural economy. Valencia is known for its traditional crafts, including ceramics, textiles, and lace making, with many artisans still practicing these age-old techniques. The city has a thriving tech scene, with numerous startups and incubators, making it a hub for innovation and entrepreneurship. Valencia's Central Market is housed in a stunning modernist building, showcasing intricate stained glass and tile work. The city has a strong tradition of fireworks, particularly during the Fallas Festival, where spectacular displays light up the night sky. Valencia is home to the oldest active university in Spain, the University of Valencia, founded in 1499. The city's local cuisine emphasizes fresh, seasonal ingredients, with a focus on seafood, vegetables, and rice dishes. Valencia has a vibrant LGBTQ+ scene, with numerous bars, clubs, and events catering to the community, particularly in the Ruzafa neighborhood. The city is famous for its tapas culture, where small plates of food are served alongside drinks, encouraging socializing and sharing. Valencia's historic center is a mix of medieval and Renaissance architecture, featuring beautiful buildings and churches. The city is known for its clean streets and public spaces, reflecting the Valencian commitment to urban sustainability.